Dopamine detox, also known as a dopamine fast, is a mental health strategy aimed at reducing overstimulation caused by modern, high dopamine activities. The goal is to reset your brain's reward system, improve focus, and regain control over impulsive behaviors. Here's a deep dive into the concept, its benefits, and how to implement it effectively. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter in the brain that plays a key role in motivation, pleasure, and reward. It's released when you engage in activities that feel rewarding, such as eating delicious food, achieving a goal, or receiving social media likes. However, in today's world, we're constantly bombarded with high dopamine stimuli, which can lead to overstimulation, reduced sensitivity to dopamine, and difficulty focusing on less immediately rewarding tasks. There are several reasons to do a dopamine detox. First, it helps reset your brain's reward system. Overexposure to high dopamine activities can desensitize your brain, making it harder to feel motivated or satisfied by everyday tasks. A dopamine detox helps recalibrate your brain's sensitivity to dopamine. Second, it can improve focus and productivity. By reducing distractions and overstimulation, you can train your brain to focus on meaningful tasks without constantly seeking instant gratification. Third, a detox can help you break free from unhealthy habits like excessive social media use, binge watching, or overeating. Lastly, reducing dopamine spikes can enhance mental clarity, helping you feel more present, mindful, and in control of your actions. The idea behind dopamine detox is to temporarily abstain from activities that provide instant gratification and overstimulate your brain. This allows your dopamine levels to stabilize and your brain to become more sensitive to natural rewards. It's not about eliminating dopamine entirely, which is impossible and unhealthy, but about reducing reliance on artificial, high dopamine stimuli. To perform a dopamine detox, start by identifying high dopamine activities such as social media, video games, streaming services, junk food, online shopping, pornography, and excessive use of smartphones. Next, set clear goals by deciding how long your detox will last and defining what activities you'll avoid and what you'll replace them with. Create a structured plan based on the duration of your detox. For a short detox of 1 to 2 hours, focus on eliminating distractions and engaging in low dopamine activities like meditation or light reading. For a medium detox of 1 day, avoid all high dopamine activities and spend time reflecting, journaling, or doing light physical activity. For an extended detox of 2 to 7 days, avoid all stimulating activities and focus on mindfulness, nature, and simple tasks. Engage in low dopamine activities such as meditation, reading books, journaling, walking in nature, light exercise, cooking simple meals, and spending quality time with loved ones without screens. After the detox, reflect on how you feel and reintroduce high dopamine activities gradually, setting boundaries to avoid falling back into old habits. For success, start small if a full day feels overwhelming. Stay consistent with regular mini detoxes, avoid perfectionism, and focus on mindfulness. While the term dopamine detox is not a clinical term, the concept aligns with principles in neuroscience and psychology. Your brain can rewire itself based on your habits, and reducing overstimulation can help your brain adapt to healthier patterns. Over time, reducing high dopamine activities can help restore your brain's natural dopamine balance. And breaking habits and creating new routines can lead to long-term behavioral change. Potential challenges include withdrawal symptoms like boredom or irritability as your brain adjusts, social pressure if your social life revolves around high dopamine activities, and misunderstanding the concept, which isn't about eliminating all pleasure, but finding balance. Long-term benefits of dopamine detox include improved focus and productivity, greater appreciation for simple pleasures, reduced impulsivity, enhanced mental clarity, and a stronger ability to pursue long-term goals. In conclusion, a dopamine detox is a powerful tool for resetting your brain, breaking addictive habits, and improving focus. By reducing overstimulation and engaging in low dopamine activities, you can recalibrate your brain's reward system and regain control over your attention and motivation. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the mental clarity and focus that come with a balanced, mindful approach to life.